still waiting hours to test your iOS app? This tool lets you instantly sign and install IPA files directly in your browser. No setup, no waiting. Select your IPA file, certificate and provisioning profile all at once. Then click Sign App. The platform handles everything automatically, instantly generating a valid, installable version. Your download link will automatically appear after signing. You can scan the QR code to install directly on your iPhone and start testing immediately, faster than TestFlight, simpler than Xcode. This is ideal for iOS developers, independent developers, or teams that need to share beta versions. All signing is securely done using your own Apple certificate. Fast, secure, and all under your control. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more iOS signing tips and developer tools. See you next time.